Are you manually copying and pasting names, addresses, or data from one column into multiple columns? There is a hidden Excel feature called text to column. Imagine you get a spreadsheet where full names, cities, and zip codes are all jammed into a single column, separated by commas or spaces. First, select the entire column that contains your combined text. Just click the column header to highlight everything at once. Next, go to the Data tab in the ribbon at the top of your screen and look for the data. Inside the wizard, choose Delimited on the first screen, then click Next. On the second screen, check the box next to the delimiter your data uses. In our case, that is a comma, but you can also choose. Look at how clean that looks. What was one messy column is now perfectly split into three separate columns for first name, last name, and state. Excel process. You just learned how to use Excel's Text to Columns tool to split any combined data into clean, separate columns in just seconds.